This Fortress collection by Manhattan Comfort introduces a beautifully crafted and designed mobile garage storage cabinet. The two-door cabinet measures 30.3 inches by 31.5 inches by 18.2 inches and weighs only 40.5 pounds, making it the perfect addition to almost any garage. Crafted from stainless steel, this garage mobile cabinet has been designed to provide durable quality for all your tools and worksite necessities. It is easy to put away and store tools, supplies, and hardware securely and without any complications. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Designed to be stylish yet efficient, this mobile cabinet does exactly that. The cabinet features two doors with recessed handles that open to reveal one adjustable shelf built within. For nearly 10 years, Manhattan Comfort has been manufacturing products with the best quality. They have been so successful that they are a household name. Through the ongoing process of innovation to sustain customer satisfaction, Manhattan Comfort is dedicated to bringing modern, stylish furniture of quality to customers everywhere. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The Fortress Garage Storage Set features heavy-duty steel construction, excellent craftsmanship, and our unique diamond texture designed to deliver a well-made and reliable two-door mobile garage storage cabinet built to handle whatever you can throw at it. Number 2. The mobile two-door garage storage cabinet measures 30.3 inches in length by 18.2 inches depth by 31.5 inches height and includes all hardware for a home assembly. Number 3. The mobile garage storage cabinet is built with two doors with locks and keys and one adjustable shelf. Number 4. The garage cabinet is built on stainless steel swivel casters for easy mobility. Number 5. The garage and worksite storage unit feature recessed steel handles, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.